and we will make America great again. God bless you.
Are you?
And good night. I love you.
Darling. Oh, well. Are you? Darling. Darling. Oh, well. Are you?
It's now or never. Will be too late. It's now or never.
Una amabilidad que le mantenía en forma y con un espíritu casi imposible de irritar.
It's now or never.
Dele usted un poquito de caña, padre, que va pisando huevos.
¿Qué pasa, hombre? Oiga. Damos cacahuete, vete mi mono.
¡Ahí, saca pecho, saca pecho!
Oiga, bueno, que no veo, claro.
Darling. Oh, well. Are you?
Henri, ce soir, sur la plage, grande séance de cinéma.
I was wrong. You tried. You love to.
Hey, wait a minute. This can't be my room.
Yes, sir. Suite number 58, sir.
58? That's an awful big number for a birdcage this size. Wouldn't it be simpler if you just put the stateroom in the trunk? Say, who is responsible for installing me in this telephone booth?
Mr. Gottlieb picked it out for you, sir.
Gottlieb, eh? Well, that's awfully decent of him. Awfully decent. Did he pick out the whole room or just the porthole?
I'm sure you'll find it very cozy, sir.
Cozy. Cozy is hardly the word for it.
Anything else, sir?
Yes, tomorrow you can take the trunk out and I'll go in.
I was wrong. You tried. You love to.
Heil Hitler!
Heil Hitler. And sometimes he even says funny things about him, doesn't he?
Well, he said they named a brandy after Napoleon, and Hitler's going to end up as...
A piece of cheese.
Yes.
Yeah. How did you know?
Well, you see, Colonel, I hope you don't doubt my... Heil Hitler!
Heil Hitler!
Heil Hitler!
Heil Hitler! Heil Hitler!
Der Führer!
Heil Hitler! Heil Hitler!
Heil myself.
That's not in the script.
I was wrong.
Oh! Dr. Warfield!
Miss Lemon, get Professor Kelp in here immediately.
Professor Kelp? Are you all right?
Oh,
I use too much.
Living the life if you could see what I see.